Hi everybody. Sorry about the angle of this video. It is kind of crappy. So, if you don't know me, I'm Kandie. Nice to meet you. Welcome back to Kandie Angel. Kandie Angel. My YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, I just got some stuff in the mail. I am a consultant for Rodan and Fields, so I will let you guys know that. But I got some products in the mail, and I just wanted to show them to you because they're having like this little promotion right now, and I'm interested in it. I love this box. Look at how sparkly this is. Look at that. Wow, that is so gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love how it has like the label for Rodan and Fields right here. I just absolutely love these products. Anyways, my products came in the mail today because I ordered some because I absolutely love these products. I haven't even opened them yet. Look at this. It's all like still in the wrapper. Anyways, I love these products and I wanted to share them with you guys because I've been using these for the last 2 years. I used to have a graveyard of stuff, of things that I used to use all the time, like just random stuff that never worked. And then my friend Amanda Truitt messaged me on Facebook and asked me if I would like to change my skin. And so I decided to take her up on her offer, get a little, she sent me like this mini facial in a little gift bag, and I tried it and I fell in love. And so a few of these products, like I don't have all the products with me right now. I actually only have a couple. I have the Active Hydration, the Lip Renewing Serum, and then I have a gift set that they have a promotion for, as I said, which I will show you in a few minutes. But I would like to show you what I normally use on a daily basis. Twice a day, I use the Active Hydration. I use my face mask. I wash and dry my face. Then I tone it. And then after I tone it, I use this stuff. It is amazing. You just open it. It comes with the exact amount you need. Push it all out so I don't waste it. And then you just turn it on. And every time you spin it, see how that top goes in? So next time I open it, it'll have the exact amount I need in that for my whole face, which is awesome. It gives you the exact little pump of what you need. Next thing is my Lip Renewing Serum. I die without these. I love these things so much. They are my favorite. They make your lips smooth in the winter. They literally just moisten everything up. So let me turn on some light right here. Does that help a little bit? Oh, there we go. Okay, so again, Active Hydration, which I will show you guys. See that? Active. Woo. Okay, let's see if I can see it. Active Hydration Serum. This stuff is amazing. How are you guys? How are you? Okay, and the next thing I have for you guys, let's see if I could prop you up a little better. Maybe like right there. Like right there. Oh. Okay, the next thing I have for you guys is the Lip Renewing Serum. So it comes with 60 of them in a jar. See? And it comes with these little beads that when you open them, you only need a little bit, so one can actually last like 3 times. I usually tend to use one every day to every 2 days because I like to keep my lips moist. But yeah, I love these things, guys. They come with like shea butter and all kinds of like yummy ingredients that are amazing for your skin. You don't eat them though. Do not eat them. And last but not least, look at how sparkly. Oh, look at how beautiful this box is. Oh, I love this box. Okay, guys, let's see what's in here. I love how heavy it is. I can't remember what I ordered. Oh, yeah. I ordered, it's a gift set right now. It's coming with the, oh, whoops. I just knocked everything down. Okay, so the gift set comes with the microdermabrasion paste and the Active Hydration body lotion. See, here's the microdermabrasion paste. Here's the body lotion. This together, I will have to look up the price, but it is amazing. I can't really look up the price because I'm on the phone right now, but it is amazing. You guys got to check it out. It literally saves you, I think, like $30 when you order them together. maybe $20, $30, I think. I think it's like 20 because it was like 80 something, I believe. 80 something, 89 maybe. I don't remember exactly, but it was like 80 something. And the kit, with them together by themselves, separate, these two separate would be like 100 and something. So like 130 or something like that. I can't remember exactly. But yeah, guys, so that is what I got in my Rodan and Fields box today. I got my active hydration lotion, my microdermabrasion paste, my lovely lip serum, which is funny because I forgot that I ordered this. I ran out of my last one today, so that's awesome. And my active hydration, which I ran out of like 2 weeks ago, but I got it now. So, which is one of the reasons I'm breaking out. But yeah, I got, like, this is the thing with Rodan and Fields. It keeps your skin smooth, where it doesn't get all like dry and like just that, that tired feeling you feel in the morning or even throughout the day. With all this stuff, it helps keep the tired away, if that makes sense. Like, it makes you feel refreshed throughout the day and just feels really good and clean, and it just tightens up your skin over time. Like, I'm almost 40, guys. And yes, I have had fillers. I will not lie. But it changes the texture of your skin. The texture of the skin changes within the first day or two of using the regimen. It is absolutely amazing. I recommend you guys go check it out. It's rodanandfields.com. I used to have my own page, but I do not anymore. If you would like to order from me, you just search Kandie Angel when you go and order. Anyways, you guys can go and check it out. But I just wanted to share it with you because it's really awesome stuff, guys. I love it. I don't even care if you buy it from me, honestly. You just got to have Rodan and Fields in your life. You really do. Like, honestly, I don't even have my own website anymore to sell it. I literally stay a consultant just so I could buy it. Like, I love it. Anyways, but if somebody asks me, I definitely will sign them up because, I like hooking people up for checking out their skin and making it pretty. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a great day. It was good talking to you. And again, if you don't remember me, I am Kandie Angel, and I'll be like everybody else. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.